morning everyone. Today we will be going to discuss question number 6, 7, 8 to 40. Okay, so write the standard form. One is done for you. So here we have been given this expanded form and we have to write in standard form. What do you mean by standard form? When you actually make this expanded form into, we change this into this expanded form into short form. So here you can see this is 60,000 given, 8,000 given, and 40 and 8 is given to you. So what you have to do is 8 is as you can see here, firstly what you can do, you can see the number of zeros that are given to you. If 1 0 is given, that it means that if there is no 0, that it means that it is your if 1 0, if without 0 is given, it means it is on 1's place. If 1 0 is given, it means it is on 10's place. If 3 0 is given, it means it is on 1000 place. And if 4 zeros are given, it means that they are in 10,000 place. So now we can say that when 8 is without any 0, so it means that it is on 1's place. Okay, so we can write down like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Before writing the number, we should write down the place values. So on ones we will write 8, tens as it is having 1 0, so it will be on tens. 100 we don't have any number with 2 zeros, so we will put 0 here. As it is having 3 zeros, it means that it belongs to 1000, so that's why 8. As it is having 4 zeros, so it means it belongs to 10,000, so it is 6. One more thing that you can say, how to read this number: place value, according to the place value, 6 10,000, 8,000, 4 tens, 8 ones. Okay, like this also you will read, then also you will get the which place value of the, what is the place value of this numbers. Now we have this number. So firstly we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so before writing the number, so here no 0, 1 0, 3 0, 4 0, 5 0. 5 0 belongs to lakhs, 4 0 10,000, 3 0 1000, 1 0 tens, and without 0 ones. Again 2 ones, 8 tens. There is no 2 digit number, so we will write 0 at 100. 3 digit number is 1000, so that's a 9 on 1000, 5 on 10,000, and 3 on lakh. So how to read this number: 3,000, 3 lakh, 5 10,000, 9,000, 8 tens, 2 ones. So that's why we are writing like this. Next one is 7 lakh, 70,000, 8,000, 7. So ones place value, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, lakhs, and tens and 100 we will write 0. Now write the place value of the color digits and word. Color digit we have to write the place values. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 6 is the highlighted one, so that's why 6 10,000 or 60,000 is the place value of 6. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 2 lakh or 2 lakh we can write like this, is the place value of 2. Now here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 0 is at 10,000 place, so 0 10,000 you can write. Okay, next number is standard form, expanded form, or numbers in words we have to write. So 48,397 is given to you. How to read this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 is the number. Firstly we have to read this number together. 48, the period is 1000. Then we have to read this number together. 397, the period is 1, so we will not read this thing. So it is 1000, 48,397, so that's why we will write like 48,397. Now what you will do for the expanded form: 4, and how many digits are after that? 1 2 3 4, so that's why 40. Then afterwards 8, how many digits are there afterwards? 1 2 3, so 30. Then 3 we have 2 digits, so that's why 2 zeros. 9 we have 1 digit, so that's why 1 0. And 7 we don't have any digit afterwards, so that's why we will not write anything. So like this you have to write. Now 75, 460. How to read this number? 75, and this belongs to 1000 period, this belongs to 1's period, so 75,460. We will have written 75,460. Now afterwards 7 40, 5 30, 4 20, 6 10 0. You don't need to write, you have to write plus plus in between. Now afterwards C D E part I have given you homework. For F part we have been given this 6,37,000. So 6,37,000. So we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So lakh he has already given 6, 37,000. So it means 10,000 and 1000 is given together. So 37. Then 288. So 288 is the number. How to write this in expanded form? 6, 5 zeros, 3, 4 zeros, 7, 2, 3 zeros, 2, 2 zeros, 8, 1 0, 8 plus 8. Okay, then we have given expanded form. So ones place we have 2 lakh. Okay, sorry, 10 lakh place we have 2 lakh. Then we have 30,000. So 10,000 and 1000, 30, 939. So 100 and tens and ones, 939. So 2,30,999 is 39 is the answer. Now we have next question, that is question number 9. Use the clues to write the digits 6, 3, 9, 4 and 2. We have these digits given and we have to write the number name also in the words. Okay, so this place value is already given to you. 9 place value is 90,000. If it is 90,000, you can say 9, 10,000. So 9 belong to 10,000, that's why I placed at 10,000. The place value of 2 is 2. So 2 is 2, so it means ones place value 2. Ones we have 2. Place value of 4 is 40. 40 means 4 tens. So 4 tens. Then the place value of 3 is 3,000. So it means 3,000. So 3 is at 1000 place and 6 place value is 600. So 100 place value is 600. So how to read this number together? 93,642. 93,642 is the number. Okay. Now find the number that is 10,000 more than the largest 5-digit number. More than means that you have to add. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now he is saying 10,000 more. So 99,999 we have to add 10,000 also. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So the total number that we will get after adding 10,000 in 5-digit largest number, we get 1,09,999. 1,09,999. After that, 5,000 less than the smallest 6-digit number. So smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and 1 lakh, smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus 5,000, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will take borrow. This will become 0, this will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 9 minus 0 is 9. So 95,000 is the number if you subtract 5,000 from the smallest 6-digit number. 4,000 more than the smallest 5-digit number. Now smallest 5-digit number is 1 lakh and we have to find out the 4,000 more. So more means add. So 4,000 we have to add. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 4 0 plus 4 4, 0 plus 0 0 1. Okay, so D and E part I have given you homework. You have to do it homework. Now question number, next one is question number. After question number we have 10 also. How many lakhs are there in this number? How many lakhs are there in this number? 6,77,830. As 6 is at lakh place, so 6 lakh are there in 6 lakhs are there in this number, 6,77,813. Okay, so you can say 6. You can say 6. Okay, then afterwards find the number that we have already done. Now we have the question number 12. Question number 12 we have find the sum and the place value of the place value and the face value of the digit 7 in the number. Okay, 407083. So place value of 7 is 7,000. How 1 stands 100,000 as it is on 1000 place, and face value I have already shared many videos related to it. The face does not get changed. Face does not change, so face remains same, the digit itself. So face value of 7 is 7. So we have to find the sum of this number. So 7,000 plus 7, 0 plus 7 7, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0 7. So the answer is 7,007. Form the largest 6-digit number using the digits 8, 7, 0, 9, 1, 2. So the biggest digit is 9, then afterwards 8, then afterwards 7, then we have 2, then 1, then 0. Last smallest is 0. So after that we will start putting the commas, ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma, lakh. So the number here is 9,87,210. 470 plus dash tens is equals to 1000. 470 tens is already given, tens means 10. So here what should I add so that I can get 10? So 53 uh, 53 tens is equals to 530. So 470 plus 530 is equals to 0 plus 0, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10. He says that we need 1000 only. So 530, if I will rate 530, so 530 tens is 5300. That is wrong. So we have to take 53 tens here. That is equals to 530. Okay students, so we have completed till question number 14. Tomorrow we will start with international numeral system. Okay.